Alright, I started watching some videos on how to grow your channel the easy way, and now I have a lot of recommendations on all those stupid videos. How to get your first 1000 subscribers in only 1 minute, yeah. How to do this, how to do that, you have to do this, you have to pay for that, and those are all so, these tips are so stupid. For example, sub for sub. Why do you even need sub for sub? Don't start YouTube when you do sub for sub, because all those subscribers won't even watch your videos. You can of course pay for your views, but why would you do that? Because then you won't get money, because you already pay money, and the money you get back will, yeah. And all those clickbait titles and doing this and doing that. Well, this video is also of course a video on how to get your views up, but not some extreme video 0 to 1 million views in just 1 week. No, I'm going to show you a legit thing or tip I found out myself by being on YouTube for a long time, how to get from 0 to about 100 views in 1 day. And it really works. I also of course said about 100 views. I don't get 100 views, I only have 150 subscribers, as you can see, so I'm not a big channel. If you're watching this video, thanks, you're one of the few people that watch my videos then. But as you can see, my views over here, they went up over here a little bit as well, and I need the views from today as well. But I'm going to show you my main tip how I did this. It's actually not that difficult. For example, this video has 88 views and I published it yesterday evening. So when I went to bed it got around 10 views, and when I woke up it got 88 views. And I only have 150 subscribers. Not every subscriber watches my videos, I know that. But 88 views is a lot, because for example this video what I see as explained in 2 minutes has 7 views. And I didn't do anything with that video. I did do something with this video, which has 88 views, and I'm going to show that right now to you. Alright, so you all know Reddit, and you probably already know where I'm going to, because Reddit is the best thing to post your videos. Of course, I know you can't promote yourself on Reddit, but you need to think about, okay, can I ask the Redditors a good question? For example, do you like this tripod? Or did you know that this tripod doesn't work for DSLR? And I have a video for that, and if you post it on there, you will have a lot of views. For example, over here I posted the Gorillapod hybrid does not work for a DSLR. I posted it on videography, so make sure you also post it on the subreddit. That way you get a lot more views, because people are really interested, and you have a lot more chance to be on the top of the page. So if you post it on videos, for example, you won't get noticed whatsoever, unless you have a very big viral video, but I'm assuming you don't. And then if you click this, you can see 46 views, and of course 46 is not a lot, but if you have a very small channel, that's a lot. For me, 46 views, that's a lot if you have 150 subscribers, and every view can be a subscriber in the future, so why not do it if it's for free? And that way I post my videos over here. For example, this one I posted yesterday, I think 1 day ago, yes, to iPad, to a subreddit called iPad, and I have 112 views, as you can see. So I just posted, I think this is the best iPad gadget I've ever bought. And that's true, it's not advertising, that's really true, because I think it's over there, this is the best iPad gadget. And as you can see, I also got some comments as well. So that's just neat, you have interaction with people on Reddit, and you get views on YouTube as well. So best tip ever, I think. Alright, sub for sub please. No, just kidding. But if you did like this video, or if you liked the tip, and if it did work, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's have a discussion. And also, yeah, leave a sub if you want to see more content in the future. Alright, see ya!